Calculate the hydrolysis constant of NH4Cl. Determine the degree of hydrolysis of this salt in 0.01 m solution and the pH of the solution. Kb for ammonium hydroxide is given as 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. NH4Cl on hydrolysis will give NH4OH and HCl. From the equation, it can be seen that 1 mole of NH4Cl gives 1 mole of NH4OH and 1 mole of HCl. Concentration of water is constant, it is taken in excess. Now if H moles of NH4Cl undergoes hydrolysis, then H moles of NH4OH and H moles of HCl will be formed. And amount of NH4Cl left will be 1 minus H. This is when the initial concentration is 1 m. Now according to the question, the initial concentration of the salt is given as 0.01 m. So multiply all the values by 0.01. So this is the concentration of NH4OH and HCl formed after hydrolysis and NH4Cl remaining after hydrolysis. KH की वैल्यू क्या होती है? KH की वैल्यू हो जाएगी KW by KB. KW की वैल्यू होती है 10 to the power minus 14 divided by KB की वैल्यू given है in the question. So KH की वैल्यू आ गई 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 10, right? Value of KH is also equal to concentration of NH4OH multiplied by concentration of HCl divided by concentration of remaining NH4Cl. ठीक है? So putting the values, you get an equation 0.01H multiplied by 0.01H divided by 0.01 multiplied by 1 minus H is equal to 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 10. This value of KH is obtained applying the formula KW by KB, right? Now 1 minus H is neglected in the denominator, 0.01 and 0.01 is cancelled. So 0.01 into H square is equal to 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 10, right? From this, H square will be equal to 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 0.01. Solving H square value is 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 8. Next, how to find the value of H? Just take the square root of 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 8. So value of H is 2.36 into 10 to the power minus 4. H plus ion concentration is 0.01 into H. So 0.01 into value of H is degree of hydrolysis is 2.36 into 10 to the power minus 4. Solving H plus ion concentration is 2.36 into 10 to the power minus 6. pH is, what is pH? pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. This can be written as log 1 by H plus ion concentration, which is equal to log 1 by, what is the H plus ion concentration? 2.36 into 10 to the power minus 6. 10 to the power minus 6 goes to the numerator. This becomes 10 to the power 6. So this can be written as, this will be log 10 to the power 6 divided by 2.36, right? So this will be equal to log 10 to the power 6 minus log 2.36. Log 10 to the power 6 is 6 minus log 2.36 is 0.373. Solving pH is equal to 5.63. So this is the pH value. A 0.02 m solution of CH3CONa in water at 25 degrees centigrade is found to have an H plus ion concentration of 3 into 10 to the power minus 9 gram ionic weight per liter. What is the hydrolytic constant of the salt? Kw की वैल्यू गिवन है, Ka की वैल्यू गिवन है for acetic acid. Hydrolytic constant can be obtained by taking the ratio of Kw and Ka. So Kh is equal to Kw by Ka, and hydrolytic constant can also be obtained from the given values. This is the reaction CH3CONa plus H2O forming CH3COOH plus NaOH. This is the reaction which shows the hydrolysis of the salt to give acid and base. What is the concentration of the salt? Concentration of the salt is 0.02 moles per liter. H is the degree of hydrolysis. If initial molarity of sodium acetate is 1 mole per liter, then out of 1 mole, H moles undergo hydrolysis to give H moles of acetic acid and H moles of NaOH. But when initial concentration is 0.02 moles per liter, then all these values get multiplied by 0.02 and concentration of sodium acetate will be 0.02 multiplied by 1 minus H. Concentration of CH3COOH will be 0.02 multiplied by H, and concentration of NaOH will be 0.02 multiplied by H, right? H plus ion concentration is given in the question as 3 into 10 to the power minus 9 moles. Now, H plus, product of H plus and OH minus ion is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. From this, OH minus ion concentration will be equal to 10 to the power minus 14 divided by H plus ion concentration. Now, from the hydrolysis reaction, what is the OH minus ion concentration? The OH minus ion concentration is 0.02H. This is the OH minus ion concentration. This is actually the concentration of NaOH which is furnishing the OH minus ions, right? So this becomes 0.02H is equal to 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 3 into 10 to the power minus 9. Therefore, H will be equal to 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 0.02 multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power minus 9, which is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now for KH, what is KH? KH is equal to concentration of acetic acid multiplied by concentration of NaOH divided by concentration of sodium acetate, right? 0.02 cancels, 1 minus H can be neglected in the denominator. So KH is equal to 0.02 into H square. Okay? So from this, putting the value of H, this becomes 0.02 multiplied by 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square. Solving value of KH, that is hydrolytic constant, is equal to 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 10. Calculate the hydrolysis constant of the reaction. ये reaction given है. This is the reaction. And find the concentration of H3O plus, मतलब कि H plus ion, OH minus, HCO2 minus, OH minus ion, HCO2 minus, मतलब कि HCO minus ion, and HCOOH in a solution of 0.15 m HCOONA. Ka for acetic acid is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 4. तो यहाँ पे जो हाइड्रोलिसिस का रिएक्शन होगा वो हो जाएगा HCO माइनस प्लस H2O फॉर्मिंग HCOOH प्लस OH माइनस आयन. Initial concentration of the salt is 0.15 mole per liter. If H is the degree of hydrolysis, then final concentrations of the various ions present will be HCO minus will be 0.15 into 1 minus H. HCOOH की concentration हो जाएगी 0.15 into H, and OH minus ion will also be 0.15 into H. Now this part has already been discussed in previous questions. KH की वैल्यू होगी KW by Ka. KW की वैल्यू होती है 10 to the power minus 14. Ka is given in the question as 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 4. तो KH की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now value of KH is also equal to concentration of HCOOH multiplied by concentration of OH minus ion divided by concentration of remaining HCO minus. अब डिनोमिनेटर में 1 माइनस H को निग्लेक्ट कर देंगे and 0.15 and 0.15 will cancel, and this becomes 0.15 h square, which is equal to the value of kh is 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 11. From this, value of h can be obtained. Value of h will be equal to, first the value of h square will be equal to 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 11 divided by 0.15, and this is equal to 3.7066 into 10 to the power minus 10. और h की वैल्यू क्या होगी? टेक द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस वैल्यू, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ h इज 1.92 into 10 to the power minus 5. जो रिएक्शन है वो है HCOO माइनस प्लस H2O फॉर्मिंग HCOOH प्लस OH माइनस. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे HCOOH के कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है 0.15 into 1 minus H. H2O is constant and HCOOH की concentration है 0.15 H and OH minus ion concentration is 0.15 H, right? So यहाँ पे OH minus ion की concentration हो गई 0.15 H. Putting the value of H, concentration of OH minus ion is 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 6. HCOOH की concentration क्या है? 0.15 H. तो यहाँ पर भी HCOOH is equal to 0.15 H. तो 0.15 H means 0.15 into 1.92 into 10 to the power minus 5. So this is also equal to 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 6. Next, HCOO minus की concentration क्या है? 0.15 into 1 minus H. तो यहाँ पे ये हो जाएगा 0.15 minus 0.15 H. Value of 0.15 H is negligible, so HCO minus concentration is almost approximately 0.15. अब H plus ion, H plus into OH minus कितना होता है? H plus into OH minus हो जाता है KW. So H plus ion concentration कितना हो जाएगा? KW divided by OH minus. ठीक है, and what is the concentration of KW? This is 10 to the power minus 14. What is the concentration of OH minus? It is 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 6. Solving H plus ion की concentration आ जाएगी 3.47 into 10 to the power minus 9. Calculate the pH of each of the following solutions. Now, three different types of solution are given. First one is 100 milliliter of 0.1 m CH3COOH with 100 milliliter of 0.1 m NaOH. This is the first type. Second type is again 100 milliliter of 0.1 m CH3COH, but now volume of NaOH is 50 milliliter and molarity of NaOH is 0.1 m. Third type is volume of acetic acid is 50 milliliter, molarity is 0.1 m, and volume of NaOH is 100 milliliter of molarity 0.1 m. For all these three types of solution, pH has to be obtained. Now the first one, the reaction will be acetic acid plus NaOH forming salt and water. Now molarity is given and volume is given. So molarity into volume. What is molarity into volume? Number of moles. Number of moles. तो यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम जो है वो मिलीलीटर में है, तो मोलैरिटी इंटू वॉल्यूम इन मिलीलीटर अगर करेंगे तो मोलैरिटी इंटू वॉल्यूम इन मिलीलीटर विल बी इक्वल टू molarity into volume in milliliter will give number of millimoles. So here it will be 10 millimoles. 10 millimoles of acetic acid, then molarity into volume, that is 0.1 into 100 will give millimoles of NaOH. So 10 millimoles of NaOH. This is the initial concentration. Initial concentration of the salt is 0 and water is also 0. From the stoichiometry of the equation, it can be seen that 1 mole of NaOH reacts with 1 mole of acetic acid and 1 mole of salt and 1 mole of water is formed. 10 millimoles of NaOH react with 10 millimoles of acetic acid to give 10 millimoles of sodium acetate and 10 millimoles of water. So, final concentration will be acetic acid is 0, NaOH 0 and sodium acetate is 10 millimoles and water is 10 millimoles. Now, molarity of sodium acetate will be equal to moles of sodium acetate divided by volume of solution. Now, here it is millimoles of sodium acetate. So, millimoles of sodium acetate divided by volume of solution is also taken in milliliters. Now, what is the volume of solution? When 100 milliliter of acetic acid is mixed with 100 milliliter of NaOH, then total volume becomes 100 plus 100, that is 200 milliliter. So, millimoles of sodium acetate divided by volume of the solution, this is also in milliliter. So, molarity of sodium acetate solution is 0.05 m. Even if you convert this millimole into mole, you divide the number of millimoles by 1000, and or it can also be written as 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. Convert the volume into liters, that is 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 liter. Then 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 3 will cancel and molarity of the solution will be obtained as 0.05 moles per liter. Now this salt which is formed undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of excess of water. Now let the degree of hydrolysis be H. Degree of hydrolysis is H, means out of 1 mole, H moles dissociates. So out of 0.05 moles, 0.05 H moles will dissociate. So amount of sodium acetate left is 0.05 minus 0.05 H. Amount of acetic acid formed is 0.05 H and amount of NaOH formed is 0.05 H. And initial concentration of sodium acetate was 0.05 moles per liter, and acetic acid and NaOH, the concentration was 0. Water is taken in excess. Now what is the value of KH? This has been done in previous questions also. Value of KH is Kw by Ka. Kw is 10 to the power minus 14. Acid dissociation constant for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. And KH is also equal to product of the concentration of products. That is, what is the product here? Acetic acid and NaOH. So what is the concentration of acetic acid? 0.05 H. What is the concentration of NaOH? 0.05 H. So product of the concentration of product will be 0.05 H into 0.05 H divided by concentration of reactant. Taking 0.05 common here, the concentration of reactant is 0.05 multiplied by 1 minus H. 0.05, 0.05 cancel, 1 minus H is neglected in the denominator. So finally, you get the value of 0.05 H square, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now this is equal to 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 10, which is equal to 0.05 H square. Solving, value of H is equal to 1.055 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now what is the concentration of OH minus ion? Concentration of OH minus ion will be 0.05 H. So putting the value of H and solving, concentration of OH minus ion is 5.56 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now H plus into OH minus ion क्या होता है? H plus into OH minus ion concentration होता है 10 to the power minus 14. So here OH minus ion concentration is known. Product of H plus and OH minus ion concentration is known. So H plus ion concentration will be equal to 10 to the power minus 14 divided by concentration of OH minus ion. From this, H plus ion concentration is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 9. Now pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus ion. Solving, the pH value is 8.7. Next, B part of the question. Now in the B part, concentration of acetic acid will be molarity into volume. Volume is in milliliters. So acetic acid concentration is 10 millimoles. Concentration of NaOH is again molarity into volume. In this case, volume is 50 milliliters. So NaOH concentration is 5 millimole. Now as can be seen from the stoichiometry of the reaction, 1 mole of acetic acid reacts with 1 mole of NaOH to give 1 mole of sodium acetate and 1 mole of water. So 5 millimoles of NaOH will react with 5 millimoles of acetic acid to give 5 millimoles of sodium acetate and 5 millimoles of water. Now what is the remaining amount of acetic acid? Initially the amount of acetic acid was 10 millimoles, out of which 5 millimoles reacted. So what is the final concentration of acetic acid? It is 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5 millimoles. So salt formed is 5 millimoles and acid remaining is 5 millimoles. pH is equal to, now this is a buffer solution which is obtained. Buffer solution which contains the weak acid and the salt of weak acid with a strong base. So pH of the solution will be equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. अब salt की concentration क्या है? 5 millimoles. Acid की concentration क्या है? 5 millimoles. Log 5 divided by 5. तो 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. ये हो जाएगा log 1 to the base 10. और log 1 to the base 10 क्या होता है? Log 1 to the base 10 is equal to 0. So pH will be equal to pKa. And what is the value of pKa? pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. So minus log 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. Solving, pH की value आ जाएगी 4.74. Now the third part of the question. Third part में क्या है? Acetic acid की volume है 50 milliliter. Molarity has 0.1 m. So millimoles of acetic acid is 50 into 0.1, which is 5 millimole. NaOH का volume है 100 milliliter. Molarity has 0.1 m. So number of millimoles of NaOH is 10 millimoles. 100 into 0.1 is 10. Again from the stoichiometry of the equation, it can be seen that 1 mole of NaOH reacts with 1 mole of acetic acid to give 1 mole of sodium acetate and 1 mole of water. So यहाँ पे which of the reactant is present in lesser amount? Amount of acetic acid is less. So acetic acid here, and the stoichiometric coefficient of all the reactants and products is 1. So here the limiting reagent, number of moles of acetic acid divided by its stoichiometric coefficient, that is 1, is equal to 5 by 1, which is equal to 5. Similarly, for NaOH, number of millimoles of NaOH divided by its stoichiometric coefficient, that is 10 by 1, will be equal to 10. Number of moles divided by stoichiometric coefficient. This value is the least for acetic acid. So here acetic acid becomes the limiting reagent. So 5 millimoles of acetic acid reacts with 5 millimoles of NaOH to give 5 millimoles of sodium acetate and 5 millimoles of water. तो यहाँ पे final concentration of acetic acid क्या हो जाएगा? Final concentration of acetic acid हो जाएगा 0, because all the acetic acid has reacted. NaOH का फाइनल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्या होगा? इनिशियली 10 मिलीमोल्स प्रेजेंट था, तो आउट ऑफ 10 मिलीमोल्स 5 हैज रिएक्टेड, तो कितना हो जाएगा फाइनल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन? 10 minus 5 is 5. Sodium acetate is 5 millimoles, H2O is 5 millimoles. Again you can calculate OH minus ion concentration. First of all calculate the total volume of the solution. Total volume of solution क्या होगा? 100 milliliter of 100 milliliter of sodium hydroxide is mixed with 50 milliliter of acetic acid. So total volume will be 100 plus 50, which is equal to 150 milliliter. तो OH minus ion concentration क्या हो जाएगी? Millimoles of NaOH, because OH minus is coming from NaOH. So millimoles of OH minus, that is 5 millimoles, divided by volume of solution, which is 150 milliliter, which is equal to 1 by 30. Solving, this is 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 2 मोल्स पर लीटर. ये हो गई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन OH माइनस आयन की. यहाँ पे 5 मिलीमोल्स को अगर मोल्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 1000, विच कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज 5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 3. 150 मिलीलीटर को अगर लीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 150 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 3. 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 3 cancel हो जाएगा. So molarity of the solution will be 1 by 30 m, which is 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 2 m. OH minus ion concentration, now you know. So from OH minus ion concentration, calculate the POH. What is POH? Minus log of OH minus ion concentration. Solving, POH of the solution is 1.478. Now pH plus POH, इसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है? pH plus POH is 14. So pH will be equal to 14 minus POH. Putting the value of POH, 14 minus 1.478, it gives the pH of the solution, which is 12.522. Determine the solubility of AgCl in mole per liter in water. Solubility product of AgCl is given as 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 10. Solubility product कितना given है? It is given as 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 10. Okay. Now AgCl जब dissociate करेगा, मतलब जब water में dissolve होगा, then it will break into Ag plus and Cl minus ions. So in aqueous solution, it will be Ag plus and Cl minus ions that will be present. Assume the solubility to be S mole per liter. Okay. So in aqueous solution, the Ag plus ions present in solution will be S mole per liter and Cl minus ion will be S mole per liter. तो solubility product क्या होता है? Solubility product in this case will be concentration of Ag plus ions multiplied by concentration of Cl minus ion. So this becomes, solubility product becomes S into S, which is S square. So, and the value of solubility product given in the question is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 10. From this, the solubility of AgCl will be square root of 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 10. ठीक है? तो square root of 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? इसकी वैल्यू होती है 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 5, and this is the solubility of AgCl. So solubility of AgCl will be 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole per liter.